show you guys my brother's MK7 GTI. It's OEM car, OEM plus car, nothing crazy. Stage 2, European taillights, downpipe, intake, the usual MK7, VMR sport springs. It's a great little fun car. Resonator delete. Pretty much all you have to do for MK7 to be a perfect daily. It's pretty quick. So I am going to just do some video clips, launch control, just a quick 1, 2, 3 of the car. So here we go. Alright, now we do a flyby video. Just getting to that spot. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this car. If you guys got any questions about this car in particular or anything, let me know. My next video, I'm trying to get my GTI. It's been sitting for a while, but I'm gonna try to get it out and make a video with that. It's got the KO4 built motor, MK5. Other than that, don't have me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram _Eric773, and I'll catch you in the next video. Like and subscribe, please. Peace.